So we're trying to figure out which of the following is not a possible value of b. So we've got a minus b over c. This equals 1. And they tell me a is 1, so 1 minus b over c equals 1. So b cannot be 1. Because if b is 1, you get 1 minus 1 over some number, and that gives you 0 over some number, and that gives you 0. So your answer will be D. And I'm going to work one other one just so you can see. You know, if you look at case A where B would be -2, that would be 1 minus a -2 over C equal 1. So that's 3 over C equals 1. C would have to be 3. But we're not worried about C. We're just trying to figure out what B cannot be.